I just love to watch you smile. Breaks my heart each time you turn away. When you want someone's attention, you have a style that leaves no hidden turn. Hey, hey, I can't resist the urge to hold you cheek to cheek and listen to you breathing. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. I love the way you change expressions. You're an angel sent from heaven to me. You're so beautiful, so beautiful. Now your eyes are filled with morning sunshine. Your voice reminds me of a sad song. Now you have blessed me with your presence. I don't remember much before you came. Before you came, happiness has found me crying, tears of joy expressing love for you. You're so beautiful, so beautiful. And I look forward to happy times with you, sharing all we can share, make your dreams come true. You're so beautiful, so beautiful. Words cannot express my heart. At times I know I'm hard to be with, but your love shines out to me. You calm my angry sea. Beautiful. You are a flower soft and free, growing on me. Beautiful. Now I can't resist the urge to hold you cheek to cheek and listen to you breathing. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. Now I love the way you change expressions. You're an angel sent from heaven to me. You're so beautiful, so beautiful. Words cannot express my heart. At times I know I'm hard to be with, but your love shines out to me. You calm my angry sea. Beautiful. You are a flower soft and free, growing on me. Beautiful. And your love shines out to me. You calm my angry sea. Beautiful. You are a flower soft and free, growing on me. Beautiful. And your love shines out to me. You calm my